Assalamualaikum everyone. I hope you're all doing well and having a blessed day. Today is a special one. I woke up early, offered my Fajr prayer, and felt so refreshed. After that, I posted my video at 10 a.m. and spent some time replying to your lovely comments. Thank you for all the support. Now, let's head into the kitchen and make something mouth-watering. Homemade sea kababs. Ingredients, here's what you'll need. 500 grams minced meat, 1 medium onion, 1 TBS, ginger garlic paste minus 2 to 3 green chilies, 1 TSP red chili flakes, 1 TSP roasted cumin powder, 1 TSP coriander powder minus 1 TSP garam, masala salt to taste. Fresh coriander and mint leaves, 1 TBSP oil or melted butter, skewers, step-by-step cooking instructions. Prepare the mixture. In a bowl, mix the minced meat with onion, ginger, garlic paste, green chilies, and all the spices. Add fresh herbs and oil. Mixed well until everything is combined. Cover and refrigerate for 30 minutes to let the flavors blend. Shape the kababs. Wet your hands slightly with water or oil. Take a portion of the mixture and shape it around the skewer evenly. Make sure it's not too thick so it cooks well. Cook the kababs heat a grill pan or tawa with a little oil. Place the kababs gently and cook on medium heat. Rotate them to cook evenly on all sides until golden brown and cooked through. Serve it. Minchutni nan orpa. Garnish with lemon wedges and sliced onions. That's it for today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and give it a try at home. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. May Allah bless your meals and your day. Take care and Allah.